Have you ever wondered what would happen if you could observe an ant colony for 1,000 days straight? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a mind-blowing journey into the fascinating world of ants. Imagine a bustling metropolis, teeming with life and activity, but instead of humans, it's populated by tiny, industrious insects. That's exactly what we're going to explore today as we dive into the incredible simulation of an ant colony over the course of 1,000 days. Our virtual ant colony starts small, with just a handful of workers and their queen. But don't be fooled by their humble beginnings. These little creatures are about to show us just how remarkable they can be. As the days tick by, we watch in awe as the colony grows and expands. The queen tirelessly lays eggs, and soon the first generation of workers emerges. They immediately get to work, digging tunnels, foraging for food, and caring for the young. By day 100, the colony has already doubled in size. The intricate network of tunnels and chambers beneath the surface is a marvel of engineering. We can see different castes of ants emerging, soldiers with powerful mandibles to defend the colony, and specialized workers dedicated to specific tasks. Around day 250, something extraordinary happens. The colony sends out its first swarm of flying ants. These winged individuals, both male and female, take to the skies in search of mates from other colonies. It's nature's way of ensuring genetic diversity and the spread of ant populations. As we approach the halfway mark of our simulation, the colony faces its first major challenge. A sudden rainstorm floods parts of the nest, threatening to drown the eggs and larvae. But the ants don't panic. Instead, they work together seamlessly, moving the brood to higher ground and repairing the damage with incredible efficiency. Day 500 brings a new threat, a rival ant colony encroaching on their territory. We witness an epic battle between the two colonies, with soldiers from both sides locked in fierce combat. It's a testament to the ants' unwavering loyalty and determination to protect their home. By day 750, our colony has become a true powerhouse. The population has exploded, and the ants have expanded their territory significantly. We observe fascinating behaviors, like the use of pheromone trails to communicate and guide fellow workers to food sources. As we enter the final stretch of our simulation, the colony faces its greatest challenge yet: a prolonged drought. Food becomes scarce, and the ants must adapt quickly to survive. We watch in amazement as they develop new foraging strategies, venturing further from the nest and even cultivating their own food sources by farming aphids for their sweet secretions. Finally, we reach day 1,000. The colony we see now is a far cry from the small group we started with. It's a thriving, complex society with millions of individuals working in perfect harmony. The nest itself is an architectural wonder, spanning several feet below ground and housing countless chambers for different purposes. But our simulation doesn't just show us the growth and challenges of the colony. It reveals something much more profound: the incredible adaptability and resilience of these tiny creatures. Throughout the 1,000 days, we've seen the ants overcome obstacles, solve problems, and work together in ways that put even human societies to shame. We've witnessed the birth of new queens and the founding of satellite colonies. We've seen the ants develop sophisticated waste management systems, create ventilation shafts to regulate temperature, and even engage in primitive forms of agriculture. Perhaps most impressive is the ants' ability to learn and adapt. Over the course of the simulation, we observed the colony becoming more efficient in its foraging techniques, developing better defensive strategies, and even altering its social structure to better suit its environment. The simulation also highlights the importance of each individual ant in the grand scheme of the colony. While a single ant may seem insignificant, it's the collective effort of millions of these individuals that allows the colony to thrive. It's a powerful reminder of the strength that comes from unity and cooperation. As our 1,000-day journey comes to an end, we're left with a newfound appreciation for these remarkable insects. The complexity of their society, the ingenuity of their problem-solving, and the sheer scale of their accomplishments are truly awe-inspiring. But beyond the fascinating world of ants, This simulation teaches us valuable lessons that we can apply to our own lives and societies. It shows us the power of teamwork, the importance of adaptability, and the incredible things that can be achieved when a group works together towards a common goal. So the next time you spot an ant scurrying across your kitchen floor, take a moment to appreciate the complex and fascinating world it represents. Who knows? You might just learn something from these tiny teachers. As we conclude our virtual journey through 1,000 days in the life of an ant colony, we're left with a sense of wonder and a host of questions. What other secrets might these industrious insects hold? How can we apply the lessons learned from their society to improve our own? And what would happen if we extended our simulation even further? One thing's for certain, the world of ants is far more complex and fascinating than we ever imagined. It's a reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary things come in the smallest packages. So keep your eyes open and your curiosity alive. You never know what amazing discoveries might be waiting just beneath your feet.